Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the MakeCode Arcade live stream. Yes, my name is Vivian. I'm at Livestream on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joe at JWonderl on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Richard at Richard on the MakeCode forum. No hesitation.
I just wasn't sure the name of the show anymore. You know, sometimes it changes.
You're on so many live streams nowadays. You just not even sure anymore.
Yeah, you can't really expect me to know which one this is all the time. Okay.
But Shannon didn't go.
Shannon didn't go?
No.
What?
At your account in the MakeCode forums.
Thanks, Shannon.
Shannon, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Thank you, Shannon. Yeah.
I feel
Vivian.
for some reason I thought Shannon was after me. Sorry, Shannon. You can go twice when we close out.
Sounds good.
And today we're making a soccer game. Thank goodness Shannon is here, our resident soccer expert. Shannon, I expect soccer fun facts peppered throughout.
Yeah. Also, Vivian, is there something you want to tell everybody?
My name is Vivian. I live cheerful in the MakeCode forums.
Maybe a confession about something that happened right before stream?
No, I don't want to talk about that, Richard. Why are you bringing it up? You can tell them.
Is this the first time we've had this happen?
I think it is. Yeah,
Institute
Vivian got a quarter before the stream started.
That's why I was doing it before a stream happened, so it wouldn't count. Yeah, I was trying to figure out what small tile maps was. And Richard tricked me. He didn't put PXC or arcade before the extension name.
Yeah, no, this was literally the worst I've ever named an extension. I'm pretty sure it was because I made it during a stream one time.
Yeah.
But Vivian, you stood no chance because you started off with Microsoft instead of Ricknell.
Yeah. I thought this was the official one. There was one the other day that Richard was like, "Oh, what am I doing? Oh yeah, you know, this one's a Microsoft one." I was like impressed with Richard. Like, "Oh, okay, wow, Richard, look at you."
I think for the official one, we're just gonna like put it in the scene category at some point. It's on my to-do list, you know.
Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna try to make a circle. Wait, Shannon, can you explain, you know, the general gist? Oh wait, okay. First, I'm going to say the idea of the game is you're gonna be on a soccer team, but you're, you know, an imposter among your teammates, and instead of trying to help everybody play soccer, you're gonna try to make everybody's soccer be long and then take a long time. So
By imposter, do you mean you're gonna have to complete small tasks and to prevent them from moving forward in the game?
yes, exactly.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm just gonna try to make a soccer field first. I know there's a circle for soccer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I'll try to do
Yeah,
that.
Shannon, give us the soccer 411. You know, what's this game all about? Why is it so popular?
I do have a soccer fun fact, which is that when they first invented soccer, which is called football everywhere else in the world, there wasn't like a limit on the number of people in each team. It was just like as many as you can get in there. So it would be like in like the countryside, and there would just be like 40 people on each side, just sort of going at it. And there were a lot of injuries. So
This sounds like an actual war.
it's like, you know, you gotta like wind down. Everyone has
Okay.
a lot of energy that they need to expend.
I love that. Why don't we play soccer like that?
I have one soccer fun fact also. Do you know why the balls are black and white? I think this is a fun fact that most people know.
Because black and white could never be the color of grass.
Well, sorta. Because on old black and white television broadcasts, the ball didn't stand out at all. So they made it black and white so that you could see it.
Oh.
Nice.
That's fine. That's perspective.
I like it. I think
Thank
it's
you.
good.
Of course, it's not anymore. I guess they changed the shape of them. Right.
The shape of the soccer ball?
Yeah, you know, it used to be that they were made out of hexagons and pentagons, right? But it's not anymore. Now it's made out of like these curved shapes.
Does anybody have a soccer ball that we can bring on to stream to ask questions? An interview.
What do you mean made out of these curved shapes?
It is.
I mean, I know they have the curved shapes for like kids soccer balls. Like when I was a kid, and I was like, "Ooh, that's a cool shape." But I thought they just used the normal.
No, they switched it up in one of the FIFA tournaments a few years back, and everyone was complaining about how it had a different sweet spot than the old style.
What is this bizarre-looking soccer ball?
Mhm.
Huh. Weird.
Also, I'm hoping
Why?
everybody's thinking of different ways to write. Oh wait, will everybody make me soccer players? I'll make a base template one, and I would like teams and stuff. You know, classic soccer things.
Okay.
Okay, great, excellent. So let's see. We'll make the soccer players. Let's give you some room to work with. Is 5 enough room? No, I don't think that's enough room. Okay, 16 is a good height, but then instead of 5, let's make it 8, and then 8 by 16. Please make me some players. But also, you know, in your mind, think of different ways to write AIs. So we're gonna make a bunch of AIs to play soccer, you know, genuinely, and then we're going to make the player who's gonna, you know, be a trick. So yeah, my idea for an AI is that they'll all have like their positions where they want to be, and then if they're near the ball, they'll try to either kick it or like dribble it towards their goal.
Mm-hmm.
And then when they have the ball not nearby anywhere, then they'll go back to their home positions. Very advanced AI, wouldn't you say?
Oh, I love this template.
Do you want me to send it a shape or?
Oh wait, this is not our template?
I was like, oh, I'll give you the shape, but then you can start off with whatever you want, you know. But
Oh, okay.
yeah, free. I want, you know, a Shannon original.
Well, I love this one that you are doing, Vivian.
Oh, I'll make them one of the teams. They'll be number 1.
So basically, for the World Cup every year, they change the design of not every year, you know, however often the World Cup happens.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm American. They change the design of the ball.
Oh, cool. Okay, let's see how this player looks. Oh, it's a good size. And then, okay, you know what, just as a preliminary safe measure, let's get this out early. What time is it, everybody? It's time for arcade, sprite, data. Richard, what is happening? Data. Okay, I'm going to bring in arcade sprite
I'm
data.
sorry, it's my favorite part too.
Okay. So I'm going to bring it in, and then I'm going to make teams, and I'm going to give them like home locations, and then we'll figure it out. And then yeah. Oh, I'm going to make a goal tile too. Shannon, so do you play soccer?
I played in high school.
What position were you?
I was a midfielder.
You run a lot? Question mark?
So you don't have to be good at like kicking. You just sort of have to like. My strategy was to run really fast, like next to the person with the ball, and then just sort of lean towards them until they were like away from the ball. It worked some of the time.
You lean towards them like menacingly?
I would just run like into them, so they would have to run like away. You know, you're like tilting, and then just hope that they like lose track of the ball while we're doing this.
What a strategic way. That's crazy. What's your favorite part about soccer?
I liked that when we went to tournaments, you got to stay in a fun hotel with your friends, and there was like free food.
Sounds like what my favorite thing was about like robotics competitions.
This is excellent.
When I played soccer too in it was more like in elementary school though.
Mm-hmm.
And the story I always like to tell from that time was about how I would sneak books onto the field and just read because I was not a sports person.
Were you very effective at reading like that?
I'm pretty sure I read like some of the Tripod series
Oh, I don't know what that is.
like that, which is it's a good science fiction series.
Mm-mm.
I don't know if it holds up. I haven't read it since I was a kid, but I liked it a lot.
Mm-mm. That's impressive, Richard. Were you scared of the ball? Like, you see Shannon coming down the field, you'd be like, oh man, she's gonna lean into me, and I'm gonna be like running away.
I was kind of like a dog chasing a cat. When the ball came near, I would just kind of run over to it and like kick, and then whatever happens, happens.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, Shannon, can you tell me on the field, are there markings here?
Yeah, so there's like another box around the goal, like a
Ooh.
bigger one.
Okay. Is it usually white too? Can I make it a
Yeah.
different color? Okay.
I think those are the important ones.
Nice.
Oh, it's like all sides around.
Bimba? Yeah? Like,
Like it's also taller than the goal. Like it touches.
oh. Here or here.
Yeah.
Huh. And does this mean like only the goalie can go in?
The goalie can only touch the ball with their hands in that area. If they're
Ah,
out of it, they can't.
I see. Oh, we have to code up a goalie too. Good luck, goalie. Okay. It'll be fine. I played soccer for 1 year.
I've pasted a link to a soccer field in the chat.
Excellent. Thank you. Why does this line up with that one? I'm not gonna worry about it. This is, a high school team, doesn't have too much budget.
Joey, you're muted.
I mean, it's always like handmade anyway, right? It's somebody on the field with the machine that you go like this, and it dumps the salt or the paint, whatever it is. Anyway,
Chalk?
Yeah, salt paint.
chalk, whatever it is. Different. I haven't seen it on a soccer field, but when my sister played softball, I saw it a bunch. It was fun to watch that. That was just like chalk, though.
I made two of the exact same tile. Okay, it's okay. I fixed it.
Yeah, I do believe they do it with chalk.
With chalk? Oh, not paint?
Well, it's called chalk. I don't know if it's chalk proper, but you have like this little thing, and it's got like a sifter, and it's got the powder in it, and then you like just wheel it around,
And sometimes you have a little cart, and you just got a little thing on the side that you just got to go like this to drop the chalk.
Shannon, or
Wait,
anybody
did you
tell
do
me how many...
this?
Sorry?
Oh, no, sorry. I was going to say, Joey, did you get to do this?
No, but I was like 8, so I watched them.
Oh, I see. Sorry, Vivian.
How many players are there on a soccer team?
11.
A goalkeeper and 10 outfield players.
Oh my goodness. Okay, wow. Okay, new variable. Soccer.
Is that what you were saying, Shannon? Is that what you were saying?
I said 11, but I wasn't super sure. I was thinking 11 or 12.
This field is shorter than I thought. I'm going to make it longer. Shannon, are you a fast runner?
Oh, I used to be okay, but it's been quite a while.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I feel like, our fast-paced lives just aren't that fast in terms of us having to run.
Vivian, are you a fast runner?
Nope. I was on a soccer team for a year, and it was very bad because I hate running.
Oh no. What position?
I was a forward. I was on
Oh my
the
God.
varsity team, Shannon. It was terrible for everybody involved. I hated it.
Vivian, that's so legit though.
Yeah.
It was really bad because we started indoors because it was in March. So then when you're indoors, you don't have to run that much. So I was fine indoors.
Mhm.
And then the snow melted and they made us go outside. And at least for us, high school soccer was just, running around.
Mhm.
If I remember correctly, I was a defender.
Oh, so you're like shins.
Well, I was like, yeah, we weren't very good, so, well, I guess we had some star players, and I was just like, all right, guys, just keep it over there. Just keep it over there. Don't come over here. Sit down. And I was just hanging out on my part of the field.
Nice. Okay, I have a plan. I'm going to make X's on the field with the chalk to indicate where the player should stand. I'm going to make it a legit looking X. I'm like the soccer coach. What do you call a soccer coach? Is it just coach?
Master?
Okay, Shannon. I'm going to place the X's. Tell me how good of a strategy this is. Okay, right? Okay, so you have these 2, 3. Oh, wait, classic. We have a goalie. Maybe I'll make the goalie separately. 3. Okay, so we need some side people. 5. We need like what are these? Wing? No.
Oh, geez, are we supposed to be drawing stuff?
Yes, you're making me soccer. Richard, if you don't, that's fine. Wait, Joey, are you making something?
I put in 1.
Excellent. That's fine. You don't have to, Richard. We just need 2 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay.
8. There's 2 more people. Where do they can go here, I guess? Okay, Shannon, rate my setup.
Mm,
It looks like a sideways smiley face with a hat.
8.2.
Okay, what would you do different?
I think the 2 middle ones should be like up and down, like rotated 90 degrees. Yeah.
Oh. Like that?
Yes.
Why? What are their jobs?
They go like one of them is more forward and one of them is like more back.
So they could be is that you? Are these you?
Oh, I was one of the side ones, I think, usually.
Oh, I
They're
see.
less important.
I see. Nah. Okay. So I'm just going to reflect this. These 2. Shannon and then Richard. Okay, and let's also make a goalie.
Doing a Richard.
Hmm?
I said you're doing a Richard.
Oh, this is doing a Richard.
Wait, what's doing a Richard again?
Using letters from the English language.
Except mine are illegible. Okay, so instead of repeating 10 times, I'm just going to repeat over all the tiles. It's what we in the business like to call doing a Richard.
Yeah, the Richard business.
Okay, wait, where is it? Scene. Array of all this. And we're going to make a soccer player. We're going to give them... Oh, we can't just set them to be a tile. So maybe we give them the tile. Is it better to save X and Y or column? I don't think it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter. So we're just going to place this sprite on it. And then we're going to save it. Oh wait, Joey, did you guys both drop people in my chat?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Okay, let's do this. So we have Joey and Shannon. Do you guys care which one's which side?
No preference at all.
Okay, Joey first.
But I think you should keep this one because that guy.
Yeah.
That's
Okay,
cool.
I'll drag one
Right, that's a
out.
good drawing. That's better than. Thank you. This is the top hat team.
Why are they so?
Oh, incredible.
Okay, and then we'll do the same for that side. We'll add more data as we go along. No need to go too much. And then let's bring in the Shannon people. Are they frogs?
Yeah.
Joey, I'm sorry, but your people are gonna get slammed.
I believe it.
Oh, maybe we should get everybody
They're
like
half top hat.
speeds and stats. Okay, we'll do that later. Yeah, but your people are fancy. They'll be fan favorites.
Eventually, we should have 22 different players. We shouldn't have everybody be the same.
Oh, true. Okay. Well, Shannon and Joey, good luck. Okay, what am I doing? Or I can change it with colors, I guess.
Well, they all have to have like the same. Like you have to be able to tell what team people.
Yeah, you could change like the base color to be slightly different, like
Yeah, okay.
or the hat color.
Hat color. Okay. Let's see. Change color in their picture. Is black going to be an issue? I'll just fill it in with a different color.
Yeah.
This is what we call, high efficiency programming. And then we're
Hey,
going
that's one of the things we're all about.
What else are we about, Richard?
The truth, animal facts, coding,
Tart facts.
live music, tart facts sometimes. I think that's it.
Yeah, that sounds about right. We need an animal fact.
Oh. All right. I'll get one real quick.
Should I change their boot colors?
Ooh, yeah.
Okay. Now we also got to change the X's to be away. Wait, Shannon, tell me how legit this is. My school, we sometimes played 4-corner soccer. And we would put a soccer goal in each corner of the gym. And then we had like 2 soccer balls.
And 4 teams?
And 4 teams.
Oh, man.
I really like the idea that it's just like 2 2-on-2 games, but you just have to avoid the other people running into the other people.
Yeah, wait, I like that.
That looks pretty good.
But it sounds extremely fun. Sorry, Joy?
The hats look pretty good with all random colors.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cute. Okay, wait, what team should the ne'er-do-well be on?
I think it should be random.
Oh, okay.
Because it doesn't matter. Your goal is to stop both teams from scoring, right?
True. But, okay, maybe we'll we'll have this person and then we'll give them like a hat or shoes. We'll figure that
out.
out.
I love it. I mean, that's so good.
50% chance. Oh, we also got to store like the teams on the sprites. Okay, let's just do that. Or maybe instead of the teams, we'll give them okay, we'll store the teams. You know what? Before I was like, oh, let's not set extra things, for efficiency. That was a lie. We're gonna set everything on them. Who cares?
All right. Well, my animal facts today are going to be based on armadillos because they can roll into balls, which are kind of like soccer balls. Similar in size, but you should not kick an armadillo.
What?
They're literally the same. What? I was just saying that I'm going to be giving things about armadillos because they're exactly, when they roll up in a ball, they are basically exactly the same size as a soccer ball.
Mm-hmm.
What?
You shouldn't kick an armadillo.
Shannon just put in the chat. It's beautiful.
Yeah, this was a thing that Shannon and I were talking about yesterday, qualls.
What? What's that?
They're also pretty good, but my armadillo fact is that sometimes when armadillos curl into balls, they'll leave a tiny gap so that a predator can stick their paw in there and then they can clamp down on it.
Armadillo bear trap.
Mm-hmm. This comes courtesy of the San Diego Zoo.
Joey, I think you should give us a cool fact. Quolls are so good.
Quolls
Yeah,
are related to Tasmanian devils.
Yeah, do yourself a favor and look up quolls. Quoll. They're amazing.
I didn't believe that was a real thing. I thought that was something silly Shannon just came up with.
They're real. They're amazing. All right, my controversial programming topics of the day. Well, see, I actually came up with a list of them, but now I can't remember what any of them.
Where's your list?
I'm trying to. Yeah, I didn't write down the list, which was kind of...
Interesting take on lists.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I need to do this, but this is where we're going.
Okay, how about this? I hate that JavaScript has both null and undefined. Don't need both. You really just need one. Why are they both?
Which one do you like better?
I guess I'm just more used to using undefined. And everyone's always like, yeah, but null means that there should be something there, but there isn't. And I'm like, well, I don't think that I think it's confusing enough that that's not a good enough reason.
Oh, this is beautiful.
The hat.
We're disguised. Okay, and then they can have shoes? Red shoes?
Yes, okay, I'm going to read the comment on Sun Arduino just put.
Yeah.
Because I like it. There's only enough room in the JavaScript world for one of us, null. Attributed to undefined.
Okay, and then we're gonna place them on the team. Oh no, you know what? Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, okay. Sorry. Okay, X's. Oh, math. Okay, we're gonna find the time map. We're gonna be like 6 to 17. What's 17 times 8? 6 times 8, 48. 17 times 8. I'm not actually thinking. I'm just waiting for Joey to.
Oh wait, no, it's 17 times 8, not 18 times 8.
Oh, well, you do 20 times
136.
8 minus 24. Yeah.
I didn't hear a number, so I'm staying with this.
136.
For Joey's hard work. And then.
Well, no, it's Richard. I just
Oh,
narrated.
Richard. Sorry, Richard.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Thank you, Richard. Oh my goodness. I don't remember how tall this was supposed to be. Let's just keep it like.
No, I get it. It's hard to keep track of everybody.
Yeah.
Joey just stands out so much compared to me.
True. And that's fine. Okay. And then let's do the controllers. Oh, we got to do the goalies too. Why are there so many players? Okay, let's rename my sprite too. Yes. Definitely a soccer player. Oh my God.
I like it. It's clear. It's to the point.
Yup.
Eye-catching.
Yeah, when I'm scrolling through the list, I'll just go to the bottom and be like, yes. And it's also saying, yes, definitely a soccer player, but also, yes, Vivian, definitely the block you're looking for. Don't go anywhere
I gotta be honest,
else.
I feel like we're missing suspicious eyes emoji on that, but
Oh, yeah.
it is
I will add that once I find, where's the camera fall? Oh, here. Okay, here. This, oh my gosh, it's not even at the bottom. Okay, let's rename, and then let's add eyes. Okay. Now let's take a look at this field. Very beautiful. Everybody, Shannon's players aren't facing the right direction. This is infuriating. Joey's players are symmetrical. Okay. I'm just gonna drag everybody out. And then.
Oh, did me and Joey do our players?
Okay.
Yeah.
mine are close enough to even, so you can just flip them without worrying about it.
Yeah, Joey's are like.
Change the goal location.
Oh. Joey, your players are very subtle. But Shannon's players,
Yeah, one of my player has one arm out and one arm right to the side, so you can tell which way they're facing based off of that.
All right,
Yeah.
we got a question in chat. Is this Scratch? No, it's not. It's MakeCode.
MakeCode! Or, affectionately known as Cake Mode. Cake Mode? MakeCode.
We are a visual programming language like Scratch, but we are for programming small, like retro arcade video games.
Yeah.
To play them on stuff like this too, which is fun.
Yes.
Yeah, play them on hardware.
Guys, how should I make a ball? This is a square. It definitely would not roll.
That's close enough. That's a baller.
Do you think I should make it 2x2?
Oh yeah, do that.
Okay, well, I'm going to place on the field.
Nice. Yep. Okay, we got another question. Can you export your game to a Pi, for example? I assume you mean Raspberry Pi. That is actually one of our supported pieces of hardware, but there's some setup required. If you go to here, I'll drop a link in chat.
Specifically, we go to Raspberry Pi 0, not the Raspberry Pi 4 or whatever, but you could also just set up a machine on there and run us in the browser on that.
Yep, you can find all of the different hardware with this link, arcade.makeCode.com/hardware.
Where's the soccer ball? Where is it? Oh my gosh, it's here. It's so small.
Oh.
Something has to change. Oh my gosh, no, the shortcuts are...
I mean,
I have a
you just make it a square and erase the corners, and you'll be fine.
Okay.
No, the problem is you have to do the black and white, but there's not enough space to do a pattern.
Vivian, question: Is
Yeah.
the soccer ball is the game here going to be you doing completely realistic things to do it, like kicking it out of their way, or is there going to be a magic and stuff?
Oh, up to...
Power ups.
Yeah, we can do anything, I think. I feel like, we just need to extend the length of this game and trick them.
Okay. Then I think we should use the small soccer ball as like a power up you can do to confuse the people.
Oh, Joey, but that also sounds like our AIs are going to get more complicated. Okay, that's the shape of a soccer ball.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll make it look...
Wait, I can't see. Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, yep, very ball-like. No square has ever missed corners like this, Richard. What else could it be? Okay. Maybe the ball should say moo. That'd be confusing. Okay, let's see. Okay, you know what? I'm happy with this. That's fine. Okay, and then how are we going to make the soccer players move? Maybe they have like a circle around them. That's like their detection radius, and if the ball's nearby, they'll run to it, and then once they hit the ball, they'll decide to dribble or to kick.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, let's just do a simple thing. I'm not even going to position the ball right now because it's in a good spot where it's at a player already. Okay, simple thing on overlaps.
Hey, we got another question. What are the main limitations in arcade that you would need to know about? Well, so I mean, we run on pretty low-cost hardware, so there's memory that you want to think about, but it's less of a problem on something like the Pi, which has a lot of memory. And then the other thing is we support 16 colors at a time. So, yeah. And that is done to save. Oh, and the screen size, yeah, is 160 by 120 pixels.
You ready for this? Bam!
And you don't just have to code in blocks. You can also code in TypeScript and
Oh yeah.
Python as well, I guess.
Yeah. Also, Untitled Armadillo says music is all square waves, but that's not actually true. We also have sawtooth, and I think we might have triangle.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's just only exposed in blocks, really, is the square waves.
Yeah.
Shannon, were you gonna say something?
So it's actually TypeScript and not normal JavaScript.
We call it JavaScript. So if you look at the very top, there's that little like toggle between blocks, JavaScript, and assets. And we call it JavaScript for simplicity, and because TypeScript is JavaScript. But yeah, it is TypeScript.
But if you know JavaScript, it'll look the same, and you most of the time can get away with it, except for like one thing when you're defining a function or something like that.
Yeah. The other cool thing about TypeScript is that we actually compile it all the way down to machine code. So because it's TypeScript and it has types, we can make it much more efficient than we can with JavaScript, which we have to run with like an interpreter. So, TypeScript is amazing.
Okay, guys, I have to do trig now, and I'm scared.
All right, what's the trick? Let's do it.
I want to give the ball velocity towards the goal, maybe. Maybe, yeah, I'll just have them always kick towards the goal now.
All right. Do you want to know what? Do you want to know the easiest way to do this?
You set it to be the difference and then normalize it.
Add an extension to Joey. Add Joey's extension.
Is this the easiest way, or is this the easiest way for Vivian to pay another quarter?
The easiest way for you to pay another quarter, but it also will work.
Hate Sprite, and this one tricks me because there's no S.
Here it goes.
Pew 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 pew. No quarters today, except one.
All right.
Okay, so this will make
for
it.
Those who have no idea what we're talking about, we whenever we type in an extension name and we forget the name of it, which happens very often, we owe a quarter, and eventually we're going to take all of our quarters and we're going to get a puppy.
Yep. And I want this one?
Well, probably you want the angle one too. So I was thinking you could put a sprite in each goal, right? And this will be like what they're aiming for. And then when you get the angle, then you can set the velocity at the angle between wherever the person is and where the goal sprite is.
That's smart. Wish I did that before I set the sprite data. That's fine. I'll probably use the sprite data for something eventually. And then this will be like, oh man, okay. Let's do plus, because that means, hey, you green people, come over here.
Yep, that's the international language for hey, you green people, come here.
Yeah, and then this will be a circle, because it's like, oh, what's that? The goal. I'm so tired of making sprites. I just want to play soccer. Oops. Okay. New variable, secret, goal. Okay. Say more things about animals.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So the only type of armadillo that can roll into a ball is the three-banded armadillo.
Oh, what are the other kinds of armadillos? Is it banded because armbands?
I think it's banded because it's like the shell is like divided into three sections.
Okay, I see.
Mm-hmm. And there are other ones, and there's like the 9-banded armadillo, and there's different kinds, but only the 3-banded one can roll into a ball.
What do the other ones do for safety?
Well, they still have a shell. They just can't roll into a ball,
I see. This was stupid. Why did I make these a plus and a circle? Oh, they're not even the same. Sorry. Set soccer player. Okay. Goal.
Do you have a cool fact, Joey?
I was looking at cool facts, but some of them are sad. I don't like that.
Oh.
Like most of them are sad. They're agile climbers. They spend the majority of their life on the ground.
Okay, Joey,
Yeah.
I don't know what a quoll looks like. Could you describe
it looks
to me?
like-
Yeah.
It's like cat-sized, and it's got a very pointy face and a little pink nose, and it's furry.
Vivian, can you
You're
draw
missing
what
the
it
most-
looks like for us?
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
You're
Okay,
kinda
so
missing the
it's
most
cat
obvious
size.
feature, Joey.
Which feature are you looking at? I was looking at a text page, so I didn't have it in front of me when I was.
Okay, wait, actually, I'm going to make it
They have very distinct spots.
Yeah.
Oh,
okay,
sure.
that's fair.
So, this is a person.
All right, good for scale. Yep, that's how. I mean, you guys can't tell because my torso is folded up several times, but yeah, it's much longer than my legs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then here's the cat.
Okay, I like it. It's a cat.
This is so, this is a calibration, so we all know Vivian
Okay.
knows what a cat looks like.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Well, I don't know if it's doing the best job of conveying that, but
But, okay, check out this, right?
There.
Tail. And check out this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it with the whiskers.
Oh,
Yeah, okay.
what about this?
I have to give it. Gotta give it up. Oh,
Angry
now it's
cat.
angry at me.
And then sometimes cats have like hairs coming out of their ears.
Sometimes
Okay.
people have hairs coming out of their ears.
Okay. Now,
Ah,
Joey's thing is qual. So it has sunglasses.
Okay.
And
It
then
is
it's-
cool. That is true.
I have no idea what kind of animal it is, but definitely probably has
Yeah.
There's
to
a
give you-
pointy face.
pointy face.
Yeah.
It's a marsupial.
No, we should let.
What?
Okay.
We have to go
That's
off
a
of
very broad classification.
Joey's description. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay,
Yeah, this
so
is your thing.
marsupials.
It's a pizza animal.
Sorry, what? Okay, marsupials are classified by their love of trees, and then they have a pocket on their stomach, and then it also has spots. Okay, are you gonna? It's fuzzy, right?
I love this. I love this animal right here. I don't know what to say. I can't tell you anything else.
Okay.
Yeah, I said it's fuzzy. Furry.
So
But
the
this is great.
quoll is super cool. So they understand the concept of contrast. So their base color is very, class. Oh wait, they have a pink nose. I feel like I remember Joey saying that. Oh wait. Okay. And then it has distinct spots. What's the opposite?
Yeah.
If you're telling me that this is not, 100% hyper realistic drawing, I'll be baffled.
It's amazing that you understood that they are rainbow spots from Richard's description without him even saying anything about it.
It's
beautiful.
really, it was really more about the joy in his voice as he was talking about it. You could just tell.
I mean, I think what's really cool about this, though, is that if I was to play Twister with an animal, there's no one I would rather have to confuse the enemy team than this little guy,
Yeah. And, wait, do I need to put the tree? I'll just put in like a sign and be like tree.
Yeah. Also, Vivian, this guy is kind of behind Shannon a bit. Could you maybe move him into like the center of the screen so the chat can see?
Audience.
Oh, I don't know how to deal with this.
If you just move it up in the canvas.
Yeah, just move it up.
Yeah, good call, Shannon. Okay, tree, and I'll give it like a +1 so that you know. As a marsupial, it is pro trees. Yeah.
Beautiful.
And,
Is there anything you think that this is missing, Joey? Any other descriptors you'd like to add that are really haven't been
To
covered
be
yet?
honest, I looked away and then I looked at the picture I had in Google and I was confused which one was which. So I think you're good.
Excellent. Okay, that has been your animal fact for the day. Okay.
This episode brought to you by Quolls.
Quolls. Definitely a real animal. Right?
Yeah, no, they're real.
Hmm. And then what am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm making soccer. I don't want to do this. I just want to make them run around. Okay, now they can. Oh, I didn't make these guys invisible too.
So I feel like one thing you could do is you could just have them all like go to a point. Like if you just you have them move towards a point where the soccer ball is sort of near, and then just kind of jiggle it around, so that they're all kind of just moving in the right direction.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, maybe
then-
I'll. Yeah.
And then when they overlap, you do the kick.
Oh, but sometimes they want the overlap. Oh, like if it's. What is the overlap with?
The ball.
But then they also dribble.
Oh yeah, dribbling's complicated.
Oh,
I don't know
okay.
what
Don't worry, I got this. I got this now, Richard. You. It's basically like an assist, you know. And I'm of course, I'm the forward of the team, and you're like, you're Shannon, and you're the midfielder, and you've already like intimidated the opposite team. You stole the ball, you kicked it to me, you know, by kicking me Sprite Utils. So don't worry, I got it from here.
I'm Shannon. Then who's Shannon?
I'm Joey.
Shannon's the coach. Sorry, Shannon. Who are you?
So that would make Joey me.
Joey, go get a
Got
book
it.
or something.
Wait, I'm Shannon though. So is Joey Shannon?
Oh. Wait, then are you? Oh man, Shannon, you gotta straighten us out. You're the coach. You can't let us go on like this.
Okay, it's very simple. Richard is Shannon. Shannon is Joey. Joey is Richard, and therefore Joey is also Shannon. And Richard is Joey.
Wait, but who's on first?
I feel exactly the same.
Can you hear me? I'm Richard.
Cannot hear that, Joey.
Oh. This is not fun.
Sorry, Richard.
Let's add a to-do here to make them kick at different speeds. To-do. Kick at different speeds depending on the player's stats. We're going to get you real invested in each of these players. Maybe afterwards we'll have like player cards and be like, oh yeah, and then you can trade with them. And then the teams will be mixed up.
Oh my gosh. All right.
What?
Joey and sorry, I was gonna try and call everyone by their mix-em-up names, but I'm not going to anymore. Joey and Shannon, we need to start coming up with player names in the chat, and then we will give Vivian a list that she can take to assign names to everybody.
Nice.
Yeah, I think this is almost good, except this needs to be this. And then this, did I not give it? Oh, yes, this one needs to be secret goal. Because there was no rhyme or reason. Mm-hmm.
So how many players we have? We've got 22, right?
22.
22. Wait, are we removing one of the players from the side that you're on?
Yeah, so each of us is going to do 7. That works out perfectly.
No, I think we should just add the extra person. You know,
Okay.
you're an interloper.
Yeah.
But you don't need a name because you're you. So
It works. Okay.
Fact. That's a fact.
Do you think we should add this? Okay, I'm going to just give them some. Okay, I'm just going to give everybody two stats. Okay, it's going to be power and speed. Those are the only things that matter in soccer, right? Nope, not all caps.
Huh?
Speed. And then we'll do it on a range of like 1 to 5. And then random. Boop, 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 ba-doop, boop. Okay, excellent. I'm going to get rid of that to-do so fast. I really want to make them run around. I think that'd be really cute. Maybe that should be my first priority. Okay. So 50% they kick it. Otherwise, we're going to do I update their positions manually? Is that the best way to do it? To simulate dribbling, I'll be like, go.
You should just give them a velocity and a direction and then update it every X number of seconds and it'll change their velocity, you know?
So I give them a velocity as a sprite data or as like a velocity?
As a velocity, right?
Okay, sure.
Like what I'm imagining is for each of them, like every half a second or something, you like give them a new velocity. And then if they're currently dribbling, then you just also correct the soccer ball's velocity.
Okay,
you know?
sure. And then, oh yeah, makes sense. I'm just gonna do a classy this, and then an angle from player to blah. Okay, we'll do that later. And then we'll also correct the ball's velocity. Okay, so this one is gonna be the power. So let's make this like 200. And then let's also set the soccer ball here. That will just work. Okay, and then one more thing. I'm going to do an on-game update. Every 500 milliseconds, and then we're going for all... Why are you moving? I don't know. Okay, we're going to get all the sprites of kind ball within, and they're going to run towards it. And that'll be it. Nope. Get all sprites of kind frog team. Should I just make them all the same kind of team? No. Maybe I'll want them to celebrate later, you know? And then it'd be silly if they were all celebrating. Okay, so if... Maybe we should give them like an eyesight stat. How good are you at seeing the ball? And if it's clear, close to you. Wait, no. If this is not null. Length. Then we'll run towards the ball. And then let's make it like, is 50 a good number? Maybe 20? Nope, that's not how you rate 20. Okay, then we'll run towards the ball. We'll add some randomness later. I don't know why that one's always the one moving. I feel like that's wrong. This is a classic follow situation. Else, we'll have it unfollow because otherwise it'll be like Pee-wee soccer. You run faster when you have the ball. Otherwise, you kind of give up. You're like, oh, well. Okay. Is that good enough? I don't know. Let's see. They're all moving. Where are they going?
So good. Well, they're kicking it.
Are they really? Okay, I'm sorry.
Kicking something, I think.
Okay, I'm going to start over. Okay, this person has the ball. Whoa, kick. Whoa. This is chaos. Okay, we're going to tell them to go home. Otherwise, let's bring in timers extension. They're going to stand forlornly a bit, and then they'll head back to their spot. That should be a storytelling? Maybe storytelling. Oh, maybe we should have a reaction time stat too. Oh man, this is going to be the most... where did that block go? The most advanced AI in soccer ever made. Yeah, I'm going to bring in the storytelling extension. What will happen if it overlaps with somebody while it's heading back?
Oops.
Okay, and then we're gonna get it as the thing. Whoa. Nobody was near the ball, so they gave up. They left the field. Home X, maybe is what I called it. Home Y. And they're so excited to go home. No, we'll give them 20.
Oh.
Yeah.
We do have 5 minutes. I just realized that.
Do you think it'll just work in 5 minutes?
Sure.
Yeah.
I believe it.
Okay. This guy kicked. Okay, it's kicked. Wait, that looks like soccer. The ball's here.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I like it.
Okay. And
you gotta give the ball bounce on walls, I think.
Oh, good call. That's easy. And now we have to think of how we can interfere. The whole point of the game. Bounce on wall. On. Where are you going? Who said you could go there? Don't have goalies either.
Let's see how many names we have so far.
Oh my gosh, what? Wait, you have names for me?
I did 7. So I think you all
Yeah,
did
I just
7.
put my 7th in also, I think.
Okay. I'm going to make an array of all the names. This is P0 right now. Okay, thank you, Joey, for the reminder. Text list of all names. New variable, names. And then maybe like on B button press, they all do a cheer. And they cheer their names like, go me. Oh my goodness. Okay. From Shannon. Geronimo Pitchfork. Richard. Possum Monday. Joey, this is going to be real awkward if this is assigned to a frog team.
No, that's intentional. Like half mine are named after the team, but
Okay, cool.
sometimes you just got a family name that doesn't match who you are.
I love this one. Samanthina. Samanthina? Roly Quoly. This is a word I can't pronounce. Polka envelope?
Polka envelope, yeah.
Polka envelope.
You didn't pronounce envelope correctly.
Thanks. We have Mike Rose Swift. Thanks, Joey. Minnesota J Frog. Gary Kicks Good. Participle. Armband Wilson. I love this one. Cynthia Eleanor June. Oh no, the third. And then, of course, a classy Rex. Joey. We have an SSSS Frogman. Joey, are any of yours not themed?
Probably.
Okay. Olympus Frog.
Roly Quoly's not.
Oh, that's true. Juno Jones Jr. Jr. By Richard.
The daughter of Juno Jones Jr.
Oh, yes. Of course. We have parentheses, Ichabod. Joey, don't make... We have hyphen dot. Max Targets, who is secretly Richard. We have a Jimmy Reaction Time soccer person. Parker Drive. And then Q Canticle. Canticle. And maybe we'll name them next stream because I want to also be able to code them up so that they'll report themselves. Oh, wouldn't it be cute if they stood in a line at first and then they went to their spots?
Oh,
Yes!
Yeah, they should definitely all walk in and then the announcer says
Yeah!
number, just a random number and then their name. And
Yeah, okay. Cool. So we have lots of hopes for this game. So that means you have to tune back in to see, how it all turns. Why are they playing soccer? Here, I'll put it on the full screen for you. So thank you guys for joining us today.
Look at them go!
That was definitely a goal. Wait, look at this person's doing so well. Soccer.
it's just kind of bouncing, I think, between the two goals. So I think everyone's doing equally well.
I think because it starts out exactly even with the goal. Oh, no, they kicked it sideways. There's go.
We'll make them less good soccer players. But Shannon, I feel like this is a reenactment of you playing soccer. You're like, oh, near the ball, straight into the goal. And everybody's like, Shannon, woo. Anyway, hope you guys learned things about quals, about soccer, and about, wow, that was definitely illegal. This frog definitely had the ball in their hands. And so I'll have to fix that next time. And I'm Vivian. I'm at LiveTrifle on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joey at JWonder on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Richard, and I'm sad that Vivian forgot that we also learned about armadillos today. At Richard on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Shannon at Checkout on the MakeCode forums.
Shannon, you have to go again.
Oh, I'm Shannon at Checkout on the MakeCode forums.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow, maybe with a JavaScript day? Question mark.
Yep.
Maybe.
And remember, armadillos are not soccer balls.
Armadillos are soccer balls.